Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made these adorable little lollipops. They're so easy and fun to make. I watched a tutorial on Instagram. I immediately had to run down and recreate it. I will link the girls' information down below where I saw this. Here's how I made mine. So I had these Creatology foam sheets from Michaels, and I'm going to show you how I used these. They come in a wide variety of colors, so those are what I used for one thing. I also got, I will link here my unboxing of the $4 grab bags from Michaels. I got these lollipops, like an entire box of 28 of them, and I thought, what am I going to do with these? I can't keep lollipops all the way till next year. I separated the cards out and I will reuse those just by putting a different lollipop in next year. But in the meantime, I've taken these and I broke the lollipop part off so that I could have the sticks as well as the wrapping paper as well when I wanted to go and rewrap it too. So I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is. I have all my stuff here and I'm going to walk through everything. It's like so cute and simple that it's going to be lots of fun to create. So just looking to see where, oh, there's my pieces there. Okay, so I pre-prepared some stuff so that I had it handy so that it wouldn't take super long. So I'll show you how I cut these. So I just did all along those strips of paper, or the strips of foam. I just stuck them in my Creative Memories cutter, and then I just moved along 1/4 of an inch each time, and I made sure that I lined up each line top to bottom so that it was equal all the way along, and you can see how simple it is to cut one of those. So that's that part. I'll do another one in pink. There are so many fun colors, and I can show you some of the combinations that I've done so far already. It's really neat to try to come up with combinations that will match collections that you have. So that's just one tool that came in really handy because it gives a nice sharp cut. So I can do like a pink and yellow or a pink and white. I really like or even a white and yellow. Let's do a white and yellow. I really like that. So it was really fortunate that I have these that have the glue already built into them. So what I do is I take the one and I just line up the edges, and then I go ahead and I put it down and I start lining up this all along the one edge on the bottom, and you'll see you get a little piece here. They're the same size, but it ends up, because it's on the inside and it stretches out a tiny little bit without even trying, you get this little overhang, which is fine for the inside of my little lollipop. So then I just take this here and I'm going to fold it back onto itself. Sorry, I'm getting off camera there. Fold it back onto itself like that. And then I fold it in. Now, the girl that I watched make this, she didn't have foam sheets that were already pre-sticky on one side or the other. She just used plain foam, and then she used her glue gun. So that would work as well, but it comes in really handy that this is already all sticky. So as I'm winding it up onto itself, and I can reposition it as I please, as I maneuver it, it creates like a perfect little lollipop, and then it's stuck perfectly to itself. So she did that with her regular foam tape, and she had like a sparkle on the outside. You can do any thickness. When I first started, I tried this really big thickness, and then I was thinking about it on a project, and I thought that something thinner like this width would be better, and it would also extend my products a little longer. So you can choose which side you think looks the best. It doesn't really matter which way that little swirl goes. I take an X-Acto knife and I just puncture a little hole. You have to be careful that you do this straight. You don't want to stab yourself. So I twist, and then I put, so there's two ends. I cut this end of the lollipop off, and I'm just going to twist this into the little hole that I created. And it is seriously as simple as that. So you can decide which side you like. What we've done is I've put some stickles on the lollipops here to create a little sparkle, like almost like a sugar dust candy. And you can do that, or you could leave it plain. It's really cute. So because the lollipops came out of this little holder already, I thought, well, I could even reuse this little holder and create a fun little tie. So let's just go ahead and tie this one up. So I use one of my stars from the All Heart collection. It was one of these stars. And this twine I'm actually recycling from a really amazing Happy Mail I received from I'm Absolutely Alice. I can link that for you here so you can watch what I unboxed. We were part of a secret swap for Valentine's Day. I sent to someone different. I didn't know she was sending to me. It was a really pretty package that she sent me. If you wanted to take a peek at that video, it's a lot of fun. And so I'm just going to sort of tie this up. This is the finicky part here where you're just creating your little tie. So you could do it either way, where you could tie this onto the stick itself, or you could tie it onto the little packaging. And if you didn't have a packaging already, you could create your own. So I'm going to create my little bow, and then we'll position it all to be in the right spot. That's a little fun. Little thing. So yeah, so you could do it even without the sparkles. It looks quite cute. Just like that. And there you go. And you could just trim the edges off here. I'll show you some of the other combinations that are just drying right now. So I've done the pink and yellow. I really liked this purple and white with the, you can vary the way that you do them too, with the white on the outside or the white on the inside. I did a purple and yellow. So here's a combination that I was talking about with these are still drying. So they look different ways when you use the white on the outside or on the inside. So it takes on a whole new look even though it's the same colors. Let's see, here's the same kind of idea with the pink and the white combination of colors there. There was this purple and pink one. And then again, this sort of, this was my experimental one. This was the first one I created. I just wanted to try it with some colors that I don't use a lot of. But anyway, it was a lot of fun to create. I encourage you, if you have these supplies, to run to your craft room and start creating, because honestly, it was so much fun. And I think these will make great little pen pal gifts. They're fun, they're light, they're cute. She had actually put a little part on top, like a little hook that you could make it something like a dangle, which would be really super cute. That's one thing I didn't have, but I had all these other cute little things, so I thought that would be fun. She also put a little bow on hers right there. So many fun ideas. You can really get creative and come up with your own sort of take on it. But I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.